Hanging out with this P.
Hanging out with that P. And this is our stupid pod. Almost left me hanging. She almost did. She was like, oh God. So,
today,
we got a story.
A story. S-T-O-R-Y. If you didn't know how to spell it.
I mean,
That's what we're here to do, is teach you how to spell.
What we do. Welcome to our spelling channel.
Story time. Sit down. Get your popcorn.
I got a haircut.
Get your drink. Spence got a haircut. Because he wants to ruin how I'm getting the mood started.
You probably can't hear any of this.
He got a haircut.
I got a haircut. Sorry to ruin your momentum.
I'm pretty sure they got what I said.
I mean, in case they didn't notice.
He got a haircut.
Let's go!
It's a partly cloudy day.
2% chance of rain. Two percent. Like the milk. It's gonna rain milk.
It's raining milk.
Hallelujah! It's raining milk.
2% milk.
2%. No 1%.
Anyways.
Anywho.
Sorry. Gotta wait.
Get yourself together, Michelle.
Gotta wait for me there for a second. Story.
Time.
Place.
Thing.
Scene.
Time.
2:30.
Shay. Because you said two. Touche. Tushy.
Tushy.
Okay. So.
Weather report, sir.
We got a 2% chance of rain.
It's partly cloudy outside.
And it's a beautiful Las Vegas day.
The sun is shining.
No, it's not. It's partly cloudy. It's partly crowded.
It's partly crowded in here.
There was so many people.
Hi.
Hey!
Hey, calm down.
Hey! Why are weathermen reporting on how crowded it is?
Dang!
Back to you for our action news report.
Hello, back
Hi.
to you.
Who are we talking to over here?
I don't know. What?
Anyways.
We got a story for you.
So we're eating at Genghis Grill, and Genghis Grill is by far like, oh, it's my stuff. Like that's what I could live on. I couldn't live on that. I'd die in like a week. Really bad for you. But it's Mongolian stir fry, and you build a bowl with like a bunch of meat and vegetables and spices and stuff, and they fry it up for you, and it's delicious. But it fills you up.
That was me eating it.
But yeah, and the bowls are huge, so like it fills you up. And, like that's an accurate representation of like the bowl. But yeah, it fills you up. So I mean, we wanted a full belly before we go on this adventure to go to the movies and see this beautiful movie that we don't remember what it was called. It was probably like Indiana Jones.
If we were like 3 and going, sure.
Okay, they had a new Indiana. Like when we were 8.
We were 8 at the time.
Michelle's a new driver. Really new.
I just got my license. 8 years old me.
Anyway, so it was me, Michelle, and Eric, and you guys have met Eric in past vlogs.
Yeah.
And he's a beautiful sunshine of rainbows.
And shoes.
And shoes.
Hats.
Used to be games and chocolate. But anyways.
And a bag full of candy.
Whatever you want. He's got it for you. Anyways. James is calling me a soda. We say anyways a lot.
Anyways.
Anywho. We come out of Genghis Grill, you know, everything's just going flawlessly perfect. Like it is. We're freaking full on the bellies.
Yeah.
We got, you know, freaking movie tickets to this premiere.
We're ready.
We're all happy, and we jump in the
beautiful
car.
Beautiful sunshine, partly cloudy day.
2% chance of rain.
2% chance.
We don't know if it's 2%, but there was a percent of
2%.
rain, and that was very low, like 2%. So
2%. You're not gonna know what's happening.
No.
2%.
2%.
2%.
2%.
Anyways.
Dose. Percente.
The
Movie was fantastic. And we all, we're ranting and raving about it. And we come back, and Michelle's driving, her 6 month, driving record she's got going. And she hasn't driven in Rin yet. And this is where the 2% comes in. She's happy and jolly. And Eric's back here, you guys want some shoes? No, Eric. We don't want shoes! Okay.
We're not that mean, I swear.
Anyways.
Mr. Green was a 2019 Chrysler with leather sitting and torn up upholstery.
2019?
Yeah.
This is one of the newest cars out there. It was a 1999
Chrysler.
Beautiful, majestic,
Torn up upholstery.
glorious
It was great.
beast. Someone missed that roof. Like, it added character.
Everybody
to our
gave me so
channel.
much crap about that roof.
I know, but it was character to our channel.
It was character. Yeah, TJ, it was character.
Yeah, TJ.
My brother.
Characters.
Anyways, driving.
Hey, Michelle, it's starting to drizzle.
What?
Like, oh no, it's the windshield liquid.
Liquid.
It's fine. It's not gonna rain today. They said it was like, what, a 2%
2%
chance? And then if you ever lived in Las Vegas,
Las Vegas.
when it starts to drizzle,
It just drizzles
it just drizzles.
and moves on.
So we're like, it's fine.
Good. We're gonna keep driving.
And then all of a sudden, more drizzle. More drizzle. Downpour of freaking utmost importance of freaking rain destroying our windshield of just water. And Michelle's just freaking, she's over here and it's actually pretty good. Because when she first screamed, I was just like,
And you know what you're supposed to do when it rains on your windshield.
I was like, dude, just turn on your windshield wipers. And they don't work. They suck. They ain't wiping anything. They ain't wiping no windshields.
They stopped midway.
They did.
Because I was like whipping that thing like.
Watch me whip.
I was trying so hard to see.
And it wasn't
I
working
couldn't see
at all. And
And
Eric's,
it just stopped.
Eric's,
Roll down your window.
what do you want me to do?
I need you to exit immediately. No. I need you to roll down the window. Stick your beautiful head out.
Her window was kind of janky too. So like we'd have to roll it down, but it wouldn't roll back up. So this was like a Michelle, do you want me to roll down the window?
Roll down the window.
Are you sure?
Yes.
It might not come back up. So I roll it down, and help! I kept getting rain hit in the face and everything.
Trying to wheel him back in.
And I'm just like, help me! We can't see a thing. Cause I mean, if you put your head out the window and it's pouring down rain, you can't look.
We're screwed.
We're screwed. And Eric's back here just, you guys good? You guys good? You want some shit? No. No!
Shit!
And, of course.
I gotta go to the bathroom.
Oh,
I go slower because when you really gotta go to the bathroom, you wanna cross your legs or you just wanna squeeze everything up.
just keep it up.
And so, you're
Keep
just
it in.
like,
And slowly, Eric is just starting to drift a little bit to the left because Nichelle's back seat didn't have a seatbelt. Eric's back there, sliding around, having a good old time, thinking about shoes. And you know, like whenever Nichelle would hit a hard turn, she would just go. It starts to clear up. And we're trying our best to get home.
I gotta pee.
Michelle's still got to pee, so she's still going 5 miles an hour. People are passing us up. Like, what are you doing? It's not even raining anymore.
And then the puddles happen. The rain stopped, but now there's puddles.
I bet that didn't feel good. You know, pee and puddles and just.
Because I would see them last minute because I still had drippy droppies from the rain before because my windshield wipers were still here. Also, I had to like look through windshield wipers.
Yeah, like she couldn't, like she didn't have a direct line of sight. So
I got
she was just
this.
like, huh? And I'm just out here like, oh, you got a puddle coming up!
Ka-dunk!
Too late. Yeah. That was our beautiful
Rainy 2% day.
2% day. That's what it was. It was a 2% day. Because there was 2% that this would happen, and it happened.
Damn chances.
I hate them. But yeah,
Yeah, that was the story.
that's our beautiful story.
If you loved this story,
Go ahead and hit that like button.
and if you want to keep going with these adventures with us,
Hit that subscribe button.
and we'll see you, Pete's.
In the next stupid pod.
Hey, yo!
There was 3 claps in that one. Because it was just a... I don't know why I gave myself a high five, but I did.
You did like, good job.
Boom, good job, Spence.